Children, welcome back to your EVS class. Hope all are fine. We have discussed so many interesting topics in our previous classes. Do you remember? Okay, very good. First of all, let us recollect the things which we discussed in our previous classes. We discussed about air. Then, what else? Water. 3 forms of water. Which are the 3 forms of water? Solid, liquid and gas. Ice is the solid form. Then water is the liquid form and water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Then we discussed about 4 different types of processes which change the forms of water. Evaporation, condensation, melting and freezing. Can you see the wind? Yes, we discussed about different types of wind in our last class. They are breeze, gale and storm. In our previous class, we discussed about weather. Today, we will discuss about season. What is the difference between weather and season? So children, what is weather? Weather is a condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. So what is meant by seasons? If the weather remains same for a period of time, it is called seasons. The weather changes throughout the year. It will be very hot in some months. It will be very cold during other months. Sometimes it rains a lot. So, the weather changes throughout the year. In India, we have mainly 3 seasons. Summer, winter and monsoon. Which season is going on now? Yes, monsoon, because it rains a lot. Which all dresses we have to wear during this monsoon season? When we are going outside, we will wear raincoats. Then we will keep an umbrella with us. From the month of June to September, we have monsoon season. That means rainy season in our place, in our country. So after that, the winter will start. During winter season, it will be very cold outside. Isn't it? So what type of dresses we prefer to wear? Woolen clothes. We use woolen clothes to escape from the cold condition of the weather. What type of food we prefer to eat? Hot food. Next is the summer season. It will start from the month of March. It will be very hot outside. During this season, what type of dress we will wear? Yes, we will wear cotton clothes. We prefer to drink and eat cold food. We also get different types of fruits and vegetables in different seasons. Let me explain once again about different types of season.
In India, we have 3 main seasons: summer, the rainy season and winter. It is very hot during summer. The days are long and warm. People like to stay inside and drink plenty of cold drinks. During the rainy season, it rains a lot in most parts of India. The wind blows and the clouds are dark grey in color. Winter is the coldest season. The days are short. In many parts of India, it is very cold. People wear woolen clothes to keep warm. Snows in some parts of India, but in other parts it is not cold even during winter. So children, let me ask one question. In which season will ice cubes melt faster? Summer or winter? What is your answer? Yes, it is summer. It will be very hot during summer.
Hope all of you understood the topic. Today we mainly discuss about three types of season in India. They are summer, monsoon and winter. Children, monsoon is going on now, so be careful. Don't go outside without raincoat and umbrellas. So many diseases also will spread during this season. Let us conclude today's session. We'll see in our next class. Until then, take care and be safe in your home. Study the notes and read the lesson. Which all notes you have to study, I will mention below. Just follow it. Bye children.